All of you smart engineers, buyers, and production managers who source with American contract manufacturers, I've got a treat for you. We host over 1,200 contract manufacturer videos on our channel, and today I'm showing you one of the best we found for medical injection molding.
Hello, I'm Hardy Spence with Ash Industries. I'd love to show you what we're all about.
We can mold anything from the super tiny precision medical parts all the way to more ergonomic overmolded products.
This is one of our machines in our ISO Class 7 clean room, a Class 10,000 clean room. We're controlling the particulate count in the air so that the parts we bag and deliver to customers are clean and ready for sterilization.
We mold all sorts of medical parts. Some are implanted into the human body, and it is absolutely critical we mold them in an environment like this. Everything from the tooling to the parts, even the assembly, is done right here in-house at our facility.
You can have all the excellent equipment in the world, but if you don't have the right personnel, it just does not come together.
When you work with Ash Plastic Molding, you're getting a team of engineers, several biomedical engineers, a few mechanical engineers, and all the design expertise you need.
Additionally, you may need assembly, further packaging, and additional processing that make your process work better and compliant with FDA regulations.
The earlier we get involved in your product, the higher the chances for success. We can help guide the design for manufacturing, the molding configurations. We can even help control the price of the manufacturing.
Ash Industries is your one-stop shop for injection molding innovation. Thermoplastic, metal, silicone. For 3 decades, Ash Industries has been building medical devices. We have the experience and know-how, whether it be material, tooling, configuration, assembly, secondary processing, or clean room. We can make your medical project work. What configurations cost a lot of money and what features can be changed to save you a lot of money. At Ash Industries, we have the experience necessary to make sure that your product cost and your tooling costs are minimized in order to make your product succeed.
Look at this, medical devices, no problem. And in fact, this device has about 8 different components all assembled together. Sonic welding, mating pieces. This actually functions and moves as a valve. So material here, gamma-tinted polycarbonate, so that we can use gamma radiation to sterilize this.
Ash Industries is in a perfect position to help your project succeed. We build the tooling, the design for manufacturing, the production, the secondary processing, whether it be decoration, assembly, shipping, stocking. We're good at it. We've been doing it for 30 years.
Please help us to keep supporting American manufacturing. Throw us a like and subscribe. Thanks.